Okay. So who wants to start to show us their work, updates in their portfolio? Wala akong masabi kay Javier, oh. Kita mo talagang may initiative, sobra. Si Amber. Sige. Javier, you come after Amber. Okay, I think Amber wants to show first. Yeah, I know. Jam, we better take care of Javier. Javier. Okay, Amber. Ayan. Hey, Amber, turn on your mic rin. Ayan. And your mic, we can't hear you.
Hello.
Okay,
Can
there.
you hear me?
Sige. Yes, loud and clear. Sige, go ahead. Pretty ka daw. Sabi ni Jam. Lahat naman kayong pretty nyo eh. Lalo na when you grow up, my goodness, gugulat ako sa inyo dito sa nagiging binata't dalaga na kayo. Okay, go ahead, Amber.
Here is how my drive looks like.
Okay. Show us the latest that you've worked on, okay? And things that you needed corrected in your last checkpoint, you showcase it now, okay?
Excuse me, I could,
Yeah,
it's
show us.
kind of good.
Okay, hello. Yeah, show us your the latest that you've worked on, and especially if you have work that you are not sure about that you want to ask, that's what you show us. Okay.
Okay. Well, I recently worked on a module, an ELA project. Is that okay
Okay.
to show that? Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I won't ask about your RPL4. Is it already done?
Yes, it is already
Okay,
done.
good. Good. Okay. Sige. So you started copying them in ELA. Wow.
This is my most recent ELA project.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Open the rows. Widen up the rows. The rows. Diba we taught you
okay.
that already? Yeah, you put it, you
Oh,
you point to the boundary there in the row number, No, put your mouse in the row number.
okay.
Point your mouse to the row numbers, that 1, 2, 3 on the left.
Oh,
There. Okay. So, and then open it. No, wait. There you go. There. Okay. So open your rows, guys, para the words are not truncated. Okay. Make sure all the words and the phrases are not truncated. Okay, sige, let us see. Explain the key differences between so-called digital natives and digital migrants. Okay, interesting. Sige nga. So what did you do here? What's your project here?
well, what did I do to show the difference?
Mm-hmm.
I made up a story and then
Oh, yeah. So
I
let's see. Show it to us. That's interesting. Interesting. She wrote a story. Okay, key takeaway.
Oh, by
Okay.
the way, I didn't know that I should add a key takeaway and a learning strand at the startings.
Yeah,
That's what I find helpful with watching checkpoints.
very good. See? Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
that's my voice, but then I kind of changed my voice a little.
It's okay.
I played with it. Yeah.
Wait, we can't hear it. Baka when you screen shared, you didn't turn on the share sound.
Excuse me.
We can't hear the audio.
Oh, okay.
So unshare muna and then share again. Then you have to click the share computer sound.
Okay.
You unshare this first. Go out first there and then share again and then look for the share computer sound. Remember
There.
all these guys, all these little things, because when you're the one presenting before DepEd, you should be able. Ayan, off mo yung speaker mo. Ayan, okay. Sige, can we hear?
Participate.
like Ford, have
There.
always had
There you
Nag-AI
go.
siya.
digital natives like Ford, have always
It's it's a bit
take away.
glitchy. There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Differences between the digital natives and the digital migrants. Ford was born in a world where smartphones, tablets, and computers are everywhere. He's like a fish in water with technology. For
Okay.
Ford, using an iPad
Is
So,
or a
wait.
laptop.
Okay. You wrote this, Amber?
yes, I did.
Okay, it's so cute. Sana you show, sige, sige, go ahead. I hope in the end you showed photos of you recording this. So you recorded it and then you tweaked it to have a Brit accent, right? It's so nice.
I made my voice British.
Okay.
Happy.
Okay,
But
sige.
I
Go
didn't have
forward.
I
Uh,
didn't have any pictures of me filming this at the ending, like filming my voice. I didn't have any pictures.
oh, okay. Well, maybe you can reshoot yourself because for projects like this, I've mentioned it in the end part, you put your references, right? Put your resources, references, and ideally pictures, photos of you as learning evidence working on the project. Okay, it would be helpful. Okay,
Oh,
because you know now, because of AI, dep ed people are already asking, how would we know if they're the ones doing it? Okay, so
AI will take over the world.
exactly. So you'll be surprised. The graduation video is about to go out, published in Saturday. Yeah, you will see an AI of me. So, so yeah, because of this, and they know we use Canva, keep it in mind, learners, that at the if you will create a project made by you, ideally you have to have some references at the end of the project showing or uh, presenting learning evidence that you are the one working on the project. It's very important, okay? Because yeah, we're using all these digital tools, so they always ask me things like that. Okay? So sige. So sige,
Um,
forward mo. I want to see up to
okay.
the end.
Naturals playing with toys. He grew up with these gadgets, so he knows how to use them really well and quickly. Ford doesn't remember a time before the internet and digital technology, so it's just a normal part of his life. This is Dad. He's a bit older and grew up before all these cool gadgets were around. When Dad was younger, people used big old-fashioned phones and had to wait for dial-up internet to connect. When Dad started using these computers and smartphones, it was like learning a new language. He had to get used to these new technologies and adapt to them over
12,
time.
13.
Even though Dad is really good with technology
Yung si
now,
Javier. Ito,
he
ang
remembers a
galing.
time when things
Al
were
Javier.
different.
Ang galing.
The end.
And, okay. Okay, there.
Uh,
So,
I had
in
to
the
do.
yeah, so here, after each project, guys, listen to this. After each project, you'll have to put your resources or learning evidence at least to show that you really did this project. Okay, very, very important. That's one thing that they raised with me this school year because they can see that we're using a lot of digital tools. So any resource, like for example, Amber, if for you to come up with a story, I'm sure you've been reading or researching, right? Or something. So if you have resources, put them in the end. Okay? Any
I
kind of
have
resource.
one
Yeah.
of my resource. It's my family. I asked my family on
Okay, good,
ideas.
good. Yeah, yeah. So you can put that there. You can maybe you can type out a document about how you interviewed your family. So if you interview them, put the date and then put there, that's your research. And then you attach it in the very end. The very end, maybe have an end slide where doon nakalagay references or sources. Okay? So that's every project, guys. Okay? Important. So anyway, you're elementary, but I want you to get used to this because for junior high, I'm really going to be very strict about citing references. Okay? But this is good work. Good work, Amber. Okay.
Oh, I had many tongue twisters with the British accent. So I
It's
had many
okay.
cuts. You didn't
Uh-huh.
notice any of the cuts, did you?
No,
There's
no. It's okay. It's well edited. It's acceptable. So you should have put that information at the end. Like when you recorded, as I said, if you have pictures of yourself, like because that's how nila speak in Tagalog sometimes, nandito si na Jerica. Kasi dun sila maniniwala. For example, sa huli, ilalagay mo doon, ni-record ko po to gamit ang software na to, di ba? Nag-try ako mag-British accent, tapos may picture kang ganon. It's like you're documenting. You're documenting the process of you doing the project. So if you document it, di ba, parang nandyan sa mga hearing ni Alice Go ngayon, they're getting into the details of things, yon. So that's how you can tell the DepEd people that I did this because I know every little thing that went into doing the project. Okay? Yun ang yun ang important doon, guys, especially for this batch because they know that we use a lot of digital tools. Clear? Is that clear? Is there any question about what I just said? Wala, ha? Sige. So, ang kulang na lang dito yung end. So, it's a good start, Amber. From now on, at the very end, always put references, sources, and documentation on how you did the project. Just a little description, what tools you used, what did you do, how long did it take you, whatever kwento, okay, you can give to at least that when they read it, the DepEd people will say, o nga, siya nga gumawa nito, alam na alam niya kung paano gawin yung project eh. Okay? Gets mo? Sige, good. Okay, good. Anything else you want to show us?
before I show you anything else, I'd like to ask a question.
Sure,
If
yes,
I
go
forget
ahead.
to like show references, can I like pretend I'm doing an ELA project like when I'm not yet? Like I forgot to do a reference and then
Yeah.
I'll just picture myself pretending.
Yeah, it's okay if you weren't able to do, and then you need to meaning this is what you need to reconstruct the experience, right? So reconstructing the experience is acceptable as long as you're being true to how you really did the project. Okay? Okay, and make sure you have description. Okay, see ano here, may question si Nala. Pwede po ba gumawa ng project na hindi po ang Canva? Of course, yes. Ayan, sinagot na ni Jam. Yes, of course. Any project, it can even be manual project, anything, but you have to document it. You have to digitize it and you have to upload it in your ALS portfolio folder. Okay? So it can be anything. Dapat si Sid ipakita niya yung mga project na ginawa niya nung Sid, i-share mo nga yung mga project ginawa mo sa iyong portfolio, yung mga handmade art mo. O sige. So anything else? Amber?
This is the ELA project I'm most proud about, so other people can share now. I'll
Okay.
stop sharing.
Okay. So you're on the right track. Just remember the end part, okay? The end part. Okay?
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, who else? Next, who wants to share after Amber? It's Javier. Javier, will you be the one? Okay, hi. How old are you, Javier?
I am 11 years old.
11. Hindi na. Okay. Sige, go ahead, Javier. Can we see?
Wait. How do you share the screen? Here.
Yeah, that green button below, it shows there with an arrow pointing upwards. It says share. Found it?
So yeah.
Okay.
Maybe I just choose this one. This is the one
Ayun naman nakuha mo. Ang dami ng tatago dito kapag kasi ng hair mo dito. Tagal naman ng detect. Actually, nandiyan na yung detect.
Can you see what I'm doing?
Yes, I can see. Can you
Okay.
take out that thing on the left? That window on the left? On the right. There's an extra window that's covering the view. Oh, I don't know what it is, but it's a black thing. That one. Can you just move it to the right? Move that window to the right because it's blocking the view.
I can't see it.
Oh, you can't? Okay, never mind. But okay, so yeah, go ahead. Might block the view.
Okay, so anyways, here, if I go to here, wait, here.
Okay, what do you
Then
want to
I
show
have-
us?
I want to show you my RPL form 2.
Oh, okay. So you have, this is RPL 2. Okay, you finished it. All your trainings. Wow. Okay.
I haven't
Okay. Can you make sure, Javier, the words are not truncated, so kindly learn to open up your row heights the way Amber did a while ago. Point to the cell number, rather the row number on the left, those numbers 8, 9 there. Okay, now open it up, go in between each, point to in between there, and then pull it out. Press and pull there, not too much. Yeah, so you can do that so that the words are not truncated. Okay, you can fix it next time, but please make sure fix your forms that way. Okay. Okay, so you have a lot of training here. Okay, can I see an evidence or a certificate of evidence there? Can I see? Where did you save it?
This one.
Okay. Okay, good. And where is this saved? Where is it saved? Oh, you're gonna be a coder. Fantastic. Learn how to code. And then you help us in my hill. Okay,
wait,
but
oh, no.
where did you save?
Wait.
I want an nawala yung screen mo.
Wait, what did I?
Uh-huh. I think you clicked the blackboard or something. So, unshare and then go back to sharing.
See, okay, so now I will share my screen again. Alright.
Yes, RPL2 is required for everyone. And as I said, if you don't have or you haven't enrolled in any workshop or training, that's the purpose of typing.com. Okay, that's the purpose of typing.com. You can go into it, and when you're done with any activity there, we can give you a certificate. Okay.
Okay. Then
Okay.
I also want to show you my assessment form 2.
Okay, hold on. I was asking a while ago, where did you save the evidence certificates in your RPL2? Where did you save it? I just want to make sure that you know where it's saved. Yeah, those ones. It should be in your drive, in your portfolio drive, right?
Yeah, here.
So yeah, where is it saved?
Over here. If I go to other ALS documents over here, I have this folder which
Oh,
contains
okay.
all of the
For
all of the
RPL2.
proofs.
Okay, can you please, you have to transfer that to 02 work samples. Okay,
Oh.
because that is a required, it's a required form. Okay, so you go back, I'll show you where. Go back to the top. Go back.
Here.
There. Okay, the whole folder, you need to transfer it there in 02 work samples. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, just outside there. You'll anyway, your folder is already naka-label na siya na RPL2, right? So just transfer it here. Okay. Okay, sige.
Anyways.
So what are you gonna show us next?
My assessment
Yes.
form 2.
Okay,
over
so okay. Ooh, okay, you already logged it here. Very good. Now can I
And my
see?
signature.
And with your signature, good. Now may I see the titles? Point to the titles of the modules. They should be pointing to your assessment. I mean, sorry, your answer sheet. Okay,
Right here.
there it is. Good. And then can I see the other? Yeah. Good. Can I see the other related activities?
And the other.
Yeah, that one. Yes.
Which one?
And can I see? Yeah. Okay, you chose lesson 1 and then you had an answer. Okay, close reading. Okay. Okay, good. And where are these saved?
There. This.
Oh, where
the
are these
assessment
documents
form.
saved? Yeah, can I
Assessment
see?
form 2
Yeah.
is also my RPL form 2 is saved in one prerequisite forms. Then over here.
No, I mean the evidence, all the documents, the answer sheets are saved where? In your 05, right?
Yeah.
There.
Then here
Okay,
submitted
but the
answer
other,
sheets.
how about the other related activities
I put it in 02 word samples.
under
then
each?
here.
Oh, okay. So, okay. Okay. No, because we don't know now that that belongs to RP assessment form 2, right? Right? So
Huh?
it's better if all these subfolders, the LS1, because they're all other related activities, correct? Can you open one? Can you open one folder? Okay, so these are all your other related activities, correct?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay.
Related
So,
activities.
sige. So go back to the folder. Go back. There. Okay. Wait. Again. Open 02. Okay. There. So here, you need to create a folder that states assessment form 2. Okay. Assessment form 2, other related activities, or ORA, if you want to shortcut it. And then put all these as subfolders under that main folder. Do you understand? Okay, so let me type it here. So there it is. There. You have pala other related activities there. Okay, so yeah, all that LS1 to LS6 should go inside there. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so that we'll know that it is for assessment form 2. Okay? You get it? Yeah. So you can just move it next time. You can just move it. It won't, I mean, Google is intelligent enough to know that you moved it and it will still point there. Okay? Okay. You can just move it next time. Okay, good. Doing a good job, Javier.
Thanks.
Okay, you're very good now. 11, sige. So, but how are you with the number of modules so far? Can I see your checklist?
My checklist is here.
Yes, Pedro. Minimum of 3. Okay. Can we see? Oop. LS2.
Wait, no,
Can you put the view, the zoom view to 50 or 75 so we can see the whole page, there in the percent, the 100% in the menu down there on the left, on top menu, there. Don't you see the 100%? Can you see the 100%?
No, let me
You
see.
can see under the word insert
Here.
menu there. Okay, so that's how
75.
you change zoom view. Okay, go 75
Okay.
there. Okay, so it's easy for us to see. Okay, so you've done LS2 and the numbers. Good. Oh wow, galing mo naman. For 100 siya. Oh, what's this percent and percentages? Why'd you leave that out?
I haven't finished that one yet.
Ah, okay. Sige. Okay, LS4. How about this one? The next is LS4. Gawin mo yung Filipino dyan, ha? Para masanay ka sa Filipino. Okay? Pati yung LS4, total number of modules, yung LS4, tsaka LS5, Javier, pwedeng Filipino yung gawin mong modules para matuto ka mag-Filipino, ha?
LS4 and LS5.
Yes, oo. Kailangan dyan Filipino. Ngayon, kung hirap na hirap ka talaga, sasabihin mo, teacher, hindi ko kaya Filipino. Okay? At least 50%, kalahati man lang. Pero yung LS4, kakaunti lang yan, no? Lilima lang yan. Kaya gawin mo lahat Filipino, ha, Javier?
Okay.
Okay, sige. The LS6, guess what, guys? I have good news for you. Okay, they finally found the soft copy. Okay, the soft copy of the new modules where there are LS6 for elementary. Okay, so yeah, I'm still finding time to upload it and include it in our, amend our checklist so that it's included there. Okay, so yeah, pa-wait na lang. Anyway, madali lang siya. They're so thin. Okay, so far so good. Javier,
Okay,
are
teacher.
you very good, very good. Oh, I haven't seen a project for your ELA, but are you working on your projects?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, just next time na. Show us next week a project on your ELA, okay? Oh, sige. Okay, sige.
I'll
Thank
just
you. Okay, may
live stop
question.
share.
Yeah, thank you. Another question, do you think activities like Girl Scout activity pwede po? Of course, Nala, pwede siya as long as it is related to the module. Okay, as long as it's related to the topics in the module. Okay?
Hey, wait.
Yeah, what?
I actually had a question.
Mm-hmm.
Can we have a single project which will cover multiple objectives from different learning strands?
Yes, you may. Very good, Javier. Javier's asking all the right questions here. Okay, so that's what we call integrative learning, where you can use one project for different learning strands. However, okay, this is the what's this? This is the condition. You have to repurpose the project so that we can see that it is not complying, that it is showcasing the learning goal from that different learning strand. So it can't be the same project and then you just copy paste it in all the learning strands. At least, by the way, at least only 2 to 3 learning strands. Okay, so for example, if I have a project on let's say my project is, I wanted to bake something, cookies. Okay, I'm gonna bake cookies. Okay, from baking cookies, I learn about weighing, okay, measuring. Okay, so that's part of math, right? So when I create my project and it's about measuring and cooking, ang gagawin ko dun sa project, pag under math siya, dapat the way I did the project, kitang-kita ko na it's about measuring and weighing. Okay, kasi yun yung about math. If I use the same activity or the same project for a different learning strand, let's say English. Okay, English, because in English, I will showcase, let's say the learning goal is write complete sentences and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so now I will change the project, the whole, let's say I did it in Canva. I will change it so that what I can see there is I'm showcasing how I used or how I composed sentences in writing or describing my project of baking cookies. You get what I mean? So it's the same activity, but you have to repurpose the project so that it will fit the learning goal from math and it will fit the learning goal from English. Is that klaro ba yon, ha? Hindi hindi copy paste lang, hindi ganon. Okay, did you understand that, Javier? Kinda. Okay, this is what we do. This is what we do. You try it, okay? You try and then we will tweak it. In other words, let's discuss it once you have it. So let's say you have a project like, teacher, I want to do this project. I found it. I can do it for math, but I think I can also do it for the learning goal in English or Filipino or whatever. Then during checkpoint, we discuss it. Okay, once you chance upon something like that. Okay, clear? Can we put more than one evidence? Of course, the more the merrier, diba? Now, na-notice ko, we're not yet there, pero dun sa ILA din kasi, kailangan kasi for every project, mapapakita nyo that there are other learning goals from other learning strands that fit the project, that you learned in the project. But maybe, ano ba ngayon, September? Siguro Jam, I think you can show that in your portfolio. Oo, sige. Kasi I don't want to bother you with that yet, but kakailanganin yun eh. Kakailanganin yun. Maybe next week. Okay, next week. Ngayon, we're still perfecting the way you do your projects. Okay, but you will be needing that. Maybe Jam will share that next week, no? Okay, Jam has a question. Is it okay if I also make a separate Wix website for a small business and add it to my projects related in my portfolio website? Of course. Of course. Ang mangyayari na lang doon, link ka na lang doon sa website, no? So it's just an added link. So you link out to your separate website. Of course. In other words, you have two websites. Samantalahin nyo na yung free account sa Wix, diba? Gamitin nyo. Okay. So of course you can do that. Okay, Khadija. Okay, next. Who wants to share next?
Wait, before
My question, please. Okay, yes, Javier.
So if you, for example, I have 5 projects in a learning strand, and then I found out that one of the projects can go in another learning strand too.
Yes.
Does it mean that it's not really strictly 35 projects in total?
Yes and no, because as I said, so one of those projects let's say you have 5 projects in one learning strand, and then the other one can be used for another learning strand, correct? Okay. It doesn't mean that you just copy that and put it in the other learning strand. As I said a while ago, you need to repurpose and redesign and rewrite it so that it will fit the other learning strand. So in effect, you still have to have those 35 projects. Okay? You get me? That's why let's get to it, Javier, when you already have a sample project that you want to use in another learning strand. Then let's discuss it. I will tell you how you should rewrite, repurpose, and redo the project so that it should fit in the other learning strand for the other learning goal.
So if you repurpose a project, it kind of counts as another project.
Yes, because you're recreating it, right? You're recreating it. So it will
Okay.
count as a different project. I have to monitor that because I have to really see that you are addressing the learning goal of the other learning strand.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you very much. My God, more questions you have here. So did your parent tell you to ask those questions, Javier?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Sabi ko nga, sige. Good, your parents are guiding you. So at least this is recorded. Sige, so let us know. Let us know next week, Javier, if you have that project that you want to repurpose, okay?
Okay.
Okay. To show po dapat first project na raw. Oh, game na. Nala, you want to present? Nala? Come on, Nala. Oh, present ka, present. Okay, dito ba wala si Jerica ngayon. Sige, andito ba? Andito pala. Okay. Si
Ito po
Jerica
pala, hindi ko
nandito.
po na baba po yung mic ko, sorry.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Hindi ko pa po
Sige,
siya kasi
Nala.
natatapos, pero meron po siyang footage.
Sige, basta
Wala
show
po
us
sa laptop, pero ito,
saan.
haven't complete pa po.
Okay. What did you use to make that? Lego?
It was,
What's that?
po, binigay po kasi nung I think tita ko po yan.
What is it?
Binigay po sa
Can we
akin ng
see?
tita ko sa birthday ko po. So,
Can
I
we see?
naisip ko
Can
po,
I see? I didn't see it.
eto po, sa camera ko po. Ayun,
Huwag mo
labo.
masyado ilapit kasi maano Yan. Yan, okay.
Wala pa, hindi ko po nalagay yung battery sa loob po.
Oh,
Solar robot
okay.
po siya, dapat nga lang ayaw po
Solar
kumana
robot.
sa
So was it a
solar.
kit? It's a kit?
Yep,
It's a toy kit. Oh, okay,
Opo.
that's nice. There. Oh, you better document that whole thing, Nala.
Yeah, I actually have
Okay.
footage, but I
Okay,
haven't
good.
edited it.
It's okay. It's okay. Even pictures will do. As long as you're there, make sure you're in the picture and the video, okay?
Yeah, sige po. Haven't done his
Okay.
legs yet. Ay,
Sige.
his feet
How about
pala.
your portfolio? How is it
Portfolio.
going?
Parang parehas naman lang din siya ng last
The
week.
same as before. Sige. Okay lang. If it's the same as before, sige, next time na. Okay. Others? Other learners? Can we see yung mga hindi the same as before na merong development? September na. December ang cut-off natin. Okay. December ang cut-off. Okay. Oh, I start. Ano to? By the way, I will announce ko na ha, Saturday. Tama ba? Saturday? Hindi. Bukas pala, 20. Tomorrow, September 20. 3 p.m. Oo. Yeah, advance announcement ko na. We will be broadcasting our official graduation video of batch 2023 to 2024. Buti nakahapon. Yeah. So, i-announce ko naman I'll post it. Pero, okay, a total of 2 days. 2 days editing everything. I did cram it. It's just that, I have worked. So, but yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Okay. So, sino? Sino? Wala na naman. Ayan. Oh, Pedro, go. Go, Pedro. You're gonna present? Pedro, Carol,
No po, I
Francisco.
have a question.
Question. Okay, go ahead. Open your cam. If you're gonna speak, open your cam, huh? So I'm not talking to Ayan. Okay. Yes, Pedro, go ahead.
Oh gosh, I forgot.
You forgot the question. Oh, come on. Juggle. What's it about?
I forgot.
Is your sister there,
No,
Tiara? No, she's not?
no.
Okay. You forgot? Okay, come back to us when you remember. Okay? Sige. Oh, nobody else is gonna, how about sina Wendell, Kabading, Jerica, yung mga adult learners nandito kasi kailangan natin mag-usap kung nag-post ako doon ng mga solos, sa solos, iisa lang ang nag-reply dun sa, kung gusto niyo ng separate checkpoint, I don't mind. Pero ilan talaga, kandali, check ko, ilan na nag-reply dun sa poll. Ginawa natin ng poll. Yeah, isa lang ang nag-reply. Oh, Saturday. Oh, si Claire.
I got it na po.
Oh, sige, what?
What December what again po is the cutoff?
It's based on our calendar of activities. Teka lang, I think it's December 16. Double check. It's in the OA. It's in the official announcement. Okay. Yeah, just check there. Okay? Okay. Sino dito yung mga solos, mga solo and adult learners? Pwede bang open nyo yung cam nyo para isang usapan na lang tayo dito? Ayan, si Mary Claire, si Jerica, Wendell, ikaw din ata? Oo. Hindi, Wendell pala is elementary, sorry. Pero hindi, adult Wendell, open your cam. Oo, gusto ko malaman, adult learners, lahat ng adult learners na nandito. Ayan, si Wendell Ann, Jerica, Mary Claire, sino pa? Wala ng adult learners kasi, tawag dito, di ba nagpa-poll na tayo dun sa solos? If you want a separate, okay lang sa akin na may separate checkpoint tayo kasi lalo na yung ibang teka si Jerica may laptop eh. Ikaw Mary Claire, ano ka no? Tablet
po.
O
Opo.
tablet. Ikaw si Wendell Ann, anong gamit mo? Wendell Ann. Wendell! Sige, mag-type ka na lang. You're not adult learner. Sorry. Sa elementary ka talaga, Wendell. Ako dalagan-dalagan na yung mukha. Ilang taong ka na, Wendell? Diyos ko, bakit ang dami sa inyo? You look a lot older than you. 12, my God. You know what? My goodness, Jerica, bakit yung mga bata ngayon mukha nang matanda? Maraming problema daw ang bansa natin. Sige, sorry. Sorry about that, Wendell. Okay, so wala nang adult learners. Si Ate Jerica at si Ate Mary Claire. Okay. Okay lang ba sa inyo? Gusto nyo, ano ba yung sinuggest? Saturday? Anong oras ba yun?
Ako po nag-suggest yun,
Opo,
Saturday.
nag-suggest din ako Saturday.
Okay, anong oras ng Saturday gusto nyo?
Ako
Alas
po kahit
10?
anong oras po.
Better ba alas 10? Umaga? Para naman may hapon ako.
Medyo pa ako ng 10 o'clock ng umaga ng Saturday.
Sige, ikaw, Mary Claire, anong gusto nyo? Mas gusto nyo gabi?
Alas 6
o
po.
ano?
Alas
So
6 pwede din po.
6 p.m. up. 6 p.m. up. Sige. Sige. Kung wala naman akong with my mga anakis Sige, 6 p.m. no? Sige, so i-promise ko sa inyo yan. Kasi gusto ko talagang makita kayong dalawa, Jerica and Mary Claire. Kasi elementary, junior high, no? Na magawa natin ito, ha? So
Opo.
6 p.m. Saturday is checkpoint for adult learners. So pakihikayatin nyo yung ibang solos kasi parang nahihiya mag-reach out eh.
Sige po.
Ikalabitin nyo sila sa GC at sabihin nyo official na Saturday 6 p.m. Magme-message din ako pero hikayatin nyo kasi baka nahihiya eh. Kaso, di ba pag nahiya, walang matututunan.
Opo.
Di ba? Wala nang mangyayari niyan. Buti pa si Alice Go, kapal ng mukha. Diba? Anyway, sige. So guys, yon, I really want to help Ate Jerica and Ate Mary Claire, ha? Kasi, We want to lift our education, diba? Okay, sige, sige. Thank you ha. Okay, sino pa dito ang gustong mag-present? Sino? Ayan. Aljo, oh wait, Sophie, wait, sino? Aljo, are you gonna present? Is that a raising hands for presenting a question?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, sige, go ahead. Sige, present.
Okay.
Sige. What are you presenting to us now? I don't have to ask about RPL form number 4. Tapos na dapat yon. Okay?
Yeah. Can you see, teacher?
Yes, now I can see. Sige. Oh, I can see your chat. Baka mamaya you have love chat there.
Yeah.
Baka may love chat kayo dyan. Ingat-ingat kayo sa mga ganyan.
Ay,
Oh, na-off niya.
hold on, teacher.
Wow. Ay, saan?
Ay. Sure. Can you see,
Lumabol.
teacher?
Yep. Ayan. Sige, yan na. Okay. Sige. So, sige. What are you gonna show us? Something new.
I'm gonna ask a question here, teacher, in the
Sige, for assessment form 2. Okay.
Is this
Ayan,
right?
nag-log ka na. Nilag mo na. Straight from the checklist to, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung mini activities mo, yung
that right?
other related. Yeah, other related activities. So you chose, okay, wait. What activity is this you chose? What page is this? Assess, yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I
Anong, LS1 daily news.
Yeah.
Okay, can I see? But you have to indicate like the lesson and the page so that we'll know. Ayan o, di ba in-answer mo yan? Oo, ang ilalagay mo dyan, ang magandang itatype mo dyan, teka, wag ka gumalaw. Yan, instead of putting there for assessment form 2 other related, lagay mo dyan yung module name, sa bagay nandun na yung module name sa daily news sa taas, ano, sa file name. Lagay mo dito yung lesson, kung anong lesson to. Kasi usually each lesson has a title di ba? Each
Yeah.
lesson or each activity may title yan. Tapos lagay mo yung page. Okay?
Okay.
Komo, yan. Para if they look at this, they already know, oh, what page and what lesson is this, diba? So alam na nila. Sige, can I see down? So you answered it, 1 to 6, okay. And that's it. Ito na yon.
Yeah. Yes. teacher.
Okay, yeah. So that is now a mini activity for your other related activities, okay? But again, put the page number and the lesson title, okay? Or the activity title. You will see that in the module, okay? Sige, can I see? So ayan, dami mo na palang, ilan yung na-encode mo na dyan? Ilan ang nagawa mo dyan na encode mo? Wow. So meaning diretso from your checklist, pinasok mo na agad dito. Tama?
Yeah. Yes. teacher.
Okay. Ito na lang yung title na lang, yung title ng modules here on the first column. Yan o, yung let's clean up the environment. Yan o, dito sa first column. First column on the left. Yan, di ba? Yan, these titles, as nakita mo kanina kay pangalan nito, kay Javier, the titles should point to your answer sheet. Yung may pre-test, post-test. Kuha mo?
Yes, teacher.
Oo, alam mo ha, nasaan yon? Saan mo makikita yung answer sheets mo ng pre-test, post-test mo? Sa 05 other else documents holders, ha? Nandun submitted answer sheets yan, nandyan yan, ha? So, oo. So make sure yung mga titles naka-point dyan sa answer sheets mo. Ayan, oh, daily news. So naka-point dapat dyan. Okay? This is pre-test, post-test, ha? Tama?
Yes.
Okay, sige. So, sige. Okay, so yun lang ang gagawin mo dun sa assessment form 2 na kulang pa. Yung linking the titles to the answer sheets. Okay? Or
Okay.
what else do you want to ask?
Oh,
Andyan si Mami sa tabi mo, ha? Oh, make sure you become an expert with this na. Dapat mas magaling ka na sa Mami mo after na to, ha?
I did one Filipino subject, but I got
Okay.
50%.
Okay. In which one? The pre or the post test? The pre-test or the post-test? Can I see your checklist? It should be in your checklist.
Hold on, teacher.
Oh.
Can you see, teacher?
There, now I can see. Switch the view to 75% so we can see, or 50%. There, the
Okay.
view. Yeah, 75. So we can see the whole there. Okay, so which one did you get a 50% in?
There, only that.
Okay, so, okay. So sa pre-test. Oh, okay. Pero dun sa post-test, naka 100 ka na.
Yeah.
Tama? Okay,
Yeah.
so okay lang yan. Kasi ang problema kasi, ibig sabihin lang yan, pag 50% ka sa pre-test, I hope you studied that portion in the module where you had an error or kung saan ka nahirapan. Na-study mo naman siya. Diba?
Yes.
As long as na-study mo, and then, when you proceed to the post-test, make sure lang na naka 80% and above ka doon. Okay? So, okay lang yan. Okay? Ang mahirap kapag yung post-test nyo ay bagsak pa rin. Ibig sabihin, balik na naman kayo sa module kasi there's probably really a topic there that you don't understand. So you really have to restudy it. Okay? So honesty system lang to. Okay? We have to make sure na we really get 80% and above in both the pre and the post-test. So that's okay lang. That's okay, Aljo. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, sige. Okay, ayan, may laman na ang LS2. Patingin nga, sige, scroll down. Can I see your LS3 and 4? Sige, scroll down.
I'm still
3, still
gonna
continuing with 3. Okay, as I said, LS4, kindly do Filipino. Okay, except for ironing it out. Wala kasing Filipino module niyan eh. Oh, English gawin mo dyan. Pero LS4 and 5 is prioritize Filipino. Okay, because yeah, pag na-reinstate an exam, LS4, 5, and LS1 Filipino are all in Filipino. So you have to get used to Filipino. Okay?
Okay.
Nasagutan mo na ba yung LS? Ano ko, isa pa lang ha. Isa pa lang. Sige, gawin niyo maigi ang Filipino ha. Filipino tayo eh. Para pag yung mga inchik nag-uusap, pwede tayo mag-usap sa Filipino, hindi nila tayo maintindihan. Pero buti mo mga inchik, ang gagaling nila mag-Tagalog na, my God. O, dinaig pa tayo, no? Gagaling mag-Filipino na. Okay, sige, so keep it up, Aljo. Is there anything else you want to show me?
That's it, teacher.
Oh, have you started on the projects in Ila?
Not
Let's
yet.
go.
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not
Have
yet.
you started? Not yet? Oh, sige. Okay lang. Again, nobody is rushing you, Aljo. Nobody's rushing you, okay? You do this on your own time, your own pace. Dapat stress-free tayo, okay? We just make sure that you are learning. That's the most important, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay,
Thank you.
sige. Thank you, Aljo. Thank you. Let's go away. Sobra. It's making a mockery of our legislative. Ay. So, anyway. Okay, but then bad post-test. Do you redo everything as in answer everything second time? Pedro is asking. May question siya dito. If you do bad in the pre, then bad in the post, do you do redo everything? No. If you did bad in the pre, that means, di ba, you answer the pre-test. Oh, you did bad. Okay, you did bad. Check the topic in the module where you did bad. just the topic, okay? The topic where you did bad. Review. And then you do the post-test. If you did good in the post-test, like what happened to Aljo, did the post-test, okay naman siya, you're good. But if you did bad in the post-test, that means go back to the module again and find out where are you having a difficult time with, and then review and restudy the topic. And then do the post-test again. Okay, so the post-test always has to be passing. Okay, the pre-test, pwede ka bumagsak doon, okay lang, kasi pre-test pa naman siya. That's the point na you have to study the lessons inside the module. But the post-test, you always have to pass. Okay, is that clear? Clear yon? Pedro, did I answer your question? Okay. Ano to? If I did, ano? So if you get bad pre-test, you don't do the whole module? You don't have to. You don't have to. You can just review the portion where you did bad, right? Because nga, after pre-test is ideally do post-test. If you pass your pre-test, diba, you go straight to the post-test. But if you didn't pass your pre-test, review the portions in the module where you did bad. Okay,
So then
and
if
then do the
you did bad
post-test.
in the whole thing, you do the whole module?
Again. Who's that? Pedro. There. What? Again.
If you do bad in the whole thing, you do
Pre-test.
the module? Yeah, like the
No.
pre-test?
The pre-test, again, I'll repeat. If you did not pass the pre-test, then check the topics where you made a mistake. And then go through the module and review. You can do when I say review, meaning you do the activities under those topics inside the module. Okay, so in other words, you're studying it because you made an error in the pre-test, right? So you can just study those that you are having a difficult time with, where you had errors, okay? And then proceed to the post-test. Answer the post-test. Now, the post-test you have to pass. If you didn't pass, go back again to the topics where you had errors again. And then answer the post-test again. Because in the post-test, you really have to get 80% and up. Okay? Is that clear now, Pedro?
Yes po.
Okay, sige. Ay, sorry, my cat's hungry. Oh, wait, baby. Wait. Yeah, wait. It's there. Okay, who else wants to share? Cat, here. I call, di ba, headrest? This is my head cat. Head cat, see? My head cat. Okay. Who wants to share? Who else? Good. Wala nang mag-share. Ayan, Sophie. Okay, go ahead, Sophie.
Hello, good evening.
Sige. What other, are you gonna share anything new? Maybe projects?
I have in my ELA.
Okay, sige. Patingin. Okay. Ayan na, nagkakalaman na yung kanyang ila. I didn't catch the learning goals. Discuss the kinds of set. Okay. Wait ha. Anong dapat nandito sa opening slide? Okay, the top, let's say the top cover. Okay, the top sheet. So LS3, the learning goal, ano pa? Key takeaway. It has to have the key takeaway. Sinecond mo. Sige, buti na lang. Sige. Okay lang a second. Sige, so discuss the different kinds of sets by Sophie. Okay, and then can I see?
Discuss the different kinds of sets by Sophie Chan. So I added voiceovers for reading along.
Okay, key
notes.
takeaway. Okay.
And the information I learned.
Okay, that means
When
elements
creating
must be
sets,
arranged.
they must be written in ascending order. That means the elements must be arranged from the lowest value to the highest value.
Okay. Okay, sets. Now my question is, okay, this is all good. because you actually it's like it's actually like a teacher's visual aid. Now, from a point of view of a learner, I'm gonna ask you, when can you use the concept about sets in real life situations and real world problems?
Classifying, sorting things, the elements.
There. So add that, okay? Because you know, they don't want, you're not teaching here. You get it? You have to show that you're able to use the learning goal in real life situation
Okay.
and real world problems,
I
okay?
will
But
add
this
that.
is
I'll
all
take
good.
note. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you can just add maybe in the end. So how did I apply this in my life situation? Okay?
Okay.
So that's good. That's good. Nice.
Other than that,
Okay, what else can I see?
here's my activities that I did corresponding to the
Demonstrate.
learning goal.
Okay, gender equality. Can I see? Can I see what other activities did you do?
Yeah,
Research.
this is all it's the modules that I did based on the learning goal.
Okay.
Is that fine?
No, that's not a project. That's not.
To
No,
really
you can't.
respect,
Yeah, yeah. This answer sheet belongs to your what's this, assessment form 2,
Yes, it's there.
and the other related activities, assessment form 2. But for ELA, it really has to be a project, as I said.
All right.
It should be, how do I apply this, what I learned about this learning goal, yeah, in my real life, okay? Or even, not even in your life, maybe in some situations that we watch online, right? Or around the world, the news, whatever, you can ask yourself and apply it there, okay? Especially gender equality, right? You can write a paper about it, maybe in a certain scenario or topic that happened in the past, diba? But be careful, junior high, if you will write research and papers and essays, you need to have references and sources always in the end. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So yeah. Okay. Keep it up. But yeah, go, go, go. Always ask yourself, because if you cannot show us how you use the learning goal in real life situations and real world problems, then ALS has failed. Okay.
Oh, no. Okay.
Yes, because that's the purpose of ALS. Okay. Yeah, it's not just classroom learning. It's how you connect your learning to the real world.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sophie.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Who else? Sino pa dito? Great job. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Who else wants to present? Anna? My God. I hope you're really doing it right. I don't want to be surprised by December. I want to complete teacher, and then when I look at the portfolio, wow, oh my God. Okay, wag ganon, ha. I'm gonna have heart palpitation. So, okay. Jericho, how are you? Jericho, how are you doing? Is your kuya helping you? And Jeremiah, but don't ask him to do your job sometimes. Yeah, because I'm sure he wants you to learn, okay? Because nobody helped him during his time, but he did a good job. Yeah, your kuya did a good job. Okay. Nako, they're hungry na. Okay. Okay, wait, baby, wait. Okay, Johannes, elementary, Achilles, and ano. Hey, see, do I call you Achilles or fourth? How come it's only Amber presenting? You, Achilles, is he here? Oh, sige, go ahead, Jericho, present. My computer sound and screen. Why don't you use your ates, Achilles? Amber's was fine a while ago. Okay, go ahead, Jericho, you first. I want to see more projects. Yes. Me
Hello?
too, Javier. Okay, sige, go ahead.
Okay, what do I share first?
Any, it's up to you. What you are prepared to share. Don't you have camera, Jericho?
It's not working quite right at the moment.
Okay. Next time,
Ah.
it should always be working, guys.
Yes po.
Oo,
I'm
okay.
working on
Sige.
it.
Okay. Sige. Show us what you have.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Do we have, wala, no, wala. Ayan. Okay. There you go. Okay, what are you gonna show us?
I think I can show my checklist. Well, form 2.
Okay. Okay.
I have to put
This is
the
the assessment form 2. So you haven't done, those mini activities yet. Okay, but at least you've already logged the rest of the information from your checklist, no?
I will be adding the extra activities soon.
Okay,
But
good.
where do I put the links? Or is
The
this
link-
fine?
No, this one, the link of these titles point to your answer sheet, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so for the other related activities, it's a different document. It's
Oh,
a different document, yes. You save it and then it goes into, who showed that a while ago? It goes into 02 work samples and then other related, yeah. It
I
should
see.
go here. There should be a subfolder here, other related activities.
Oh,
Okay, and then per learning strand, yeah, you need to create a document for each other related activities. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now you don't have to do all, at least have a lot, at least 5 if you have, but yeah.
So I just have to do about 5 in every learning strand, right?
Yes, at least minimum 5 of that.
Okay.
Okay, so sige, any activity inside the module. Or if you have activities that you've done in your home-based school, home-based learning since you started, as long as it's related to the module. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So what else have you done so far? How are you with your modules? The checklist.
I'm working on them. Good.
Okay, the math. Wait, you're too fast. You're too fast. Can you go 75 so I can see the whole? Go view, change your view there. Okay. Okay, so your LS4 and 5, make sure you do the Filipino. Okay? For LS4 and 5.
Okay. May I have what's the minimum requirement for the Filipino again?
Again, 80% of the modules. Now, we agreed that if you really are having a difficult time with Filipino, for LS1 Filipino, LS4 and LS5 modules, do at least 50% of that. Meaning 50%, the minimum is 50% of the total 80%. You get it? Because 80%
No,
is the minimum. 80, you should finish at least 80% of all our modules. Okay? Okay, so if you have a hard time with Filipino modules, at least half of it, half of that 80%, you can do it in Filipino. The other half, you can do the English.
Okay.
Except LS1 Filipino, of course, it's in Filipino. You can't do any English for that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, sige. So, sige, keep it up, keep it up. You still have a lot of time. How old are you now?
I'm 15.
50. Okay, you still have, when are you turning 16?
Next year at May.
Naku, pareho pala kayo ni Adam. Okay, because Adam is the one who's graduating this year, right? na ano siya eh, nahinto eh. Well, I'm sure he's using his time productively. So in your case, you and there's one more person whose birthday is in May. So it's kind of, again, it's a waiting game because we don't know what DepEd will do if they will do the cutoff end of May or earlier. If the cutoff is earlier, then you can only complete next school year. Okay?
Okay.
Achilles? Yeah.
I
Okay.
can
So
still
that's
complete, right?
for the school year now, we don't know, but it also depends on what you have accomplished by December.
Okay.
Okay? But even if you have completed, if you have completed a lot by December, but our problem now is your age. As I said, no, I don't know when the cutoff is of DepEd is. Like what happened to your kuya, diba?
Okay.
So nakakainis, yeah. Okay? So but yeah, don't let that stop you. Keep on, keep on
Working.
working because anything you do here will always be used for you to complete. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Achilles.
Uh,
Okay. You have projects ba? Have you started on your ELA projects?
only a few so far. I'm mostly focusing on the module. But I think
Okay.
I have completed a few. But I do
Sige.
need to work on it more.
Ayun pala eh. You have na. Yeah. Can I see? Can I see at least? I want to make sure that you're doing the projects correctly.
Uh,
Well, oh nako, bakit nakaganon yun? Page
sorry.
not found. You have
Let
to
me
check
check.
your links, huh? You have to double check your links.
Okay.
So,
I'm just gonna check. Hold on.
oh God.
I think I have that in my slide.
Yeah. Double check your links, Achilles, okay? Make sure they're properly linked.
Oh, here. I will make sure to link them later.
Okay,
But
make sure
this is
they're
it.
correctly, okay. So LS1, so the learning goal is what's the learning goal?
State messages
State
from the
message, okay. Okay. Make sure you label that with learning goal, okay? Alam mo naman ng DepEd eh. Baka they'll ask, what is that? Better state learning goal. Okay, and then the key takeaway should also be there. Where'd you put it? Where'd you put
Okay.
the key takeaway?
right over where? Here?
No. It should be
Right here.
there. It should be there. Yeah, learning goal, LS1. Okay, the first slide is LS1 English, and then learning goal, and then key takeaway should also be here.
Okay.
Okay,
I'll
3
put
to
one
5
later.
sentences. Yeah, 3 to 5 sentences. Key takeaway there. Okay,
Oh,
based
for
on the project.
projects, 3 to 5 sentences for the key takeaways.
Yes, per project. Yes.
Okay.
Per project. Okay, and then can I see? Okay, so okay.
Is it okay if I put the link here or should I put it at the end?
Where is this pointing to? What is this project? What's the project about? I mean, what did you do? Did you write these stories?
Yeah. Yes, I wrote about actually I think they're like key takeaways as well.
Again, come again, you?
Just made short summaries.
Okay. So you made short summaries of these stories. Okay, so where's the summary?
Here. These are my summaries.
Wait, can I see again your learning goal? I didn't see. Can you go to slide 2? State messages from different types of material. Okay, messages. So yeah, are you sure it's this? It's not summaries, it's messages.
Yes.
Are you sure that's what the learning
sorry.
goal reads? Can I check your
Yeah.
your ELA? Can I check your ELA? There. So where is that?
This one.
Ayan,
right here.
state messages from different types of materials. Okay, so messages. Okay, sige. So the message, can I see? Can I go back to your...
Also,
okay,
teacher, I have
so
a question.
yeah.
Should I do every single one here? Or just a few?
No, just a few. Maybe at least different types, okay? Poems. Doesn't have to be... But
All
it
of it?
says here, yeah, from different types, maybe half of it or a third of it, right?
Okay.
It didn't say all, but at least do do at least, a few of them. Okay,
Okay.
so can I go back to your project? Okay, there. So yan, okay. That's a message. Time always goes on and we must embrace change. Okay, next, can I see the other? Is this a parable? Okay.
Power.
Many good things start out small. Okay, sige. Now, okay, sige. Can I see? Go down below. Go to the very end. Can I see the very end? So you had pointing. Okay, that's the very end. Okay, so here's my thing. So correct, you have the message, and then you have the material that you are referring to. Now my question is, where did you get those materials? Online?
Online.
Okay, you have to put the link for every, because you are referring to a resource online, correct? So
I
put
have
the
all the
link.
links.
Huh?
I have all the links. Yeah. Or does it have to be at the
Yeah,
end, or can I link it
but you,
here?
di ba you click on it pa? Sige, when you click on it, sige, click on it. And then it goes to this one, right?
Yes.
Okay, Miles touch. Okay, so that can be the link. It can be there. Okay. If you're good with that, it's okay as long as you have that. My ano lang kasi is the references are not clear. Maybe you can, yeah.
Maybe I should put it at the end.
Yeah, like, maybe a list of like storynori.com, a list of all these. In other words, you're just giving at least a credit. Yan. Parang you're giving
Oh,
credit at least to the
okay.
sites, diba?
So I need to make it more visible.
Yeah. Diba? So maybe in the end, credit goes to these following sites for sharing whatever, diba? Parang ganon. Tsaka baka you wanna add naman a picture or so. You wanna add visuals since you already
Yes.
came from the site, just pick up from the site anyway. You're giving credit to them. Diba? Like for example, that one, like just a picture. So at least
Okay.
you know that you're giving credit naman to the site. So in the end, you put their references or credits to site.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sige. Okay, good. So it's happening. Very good. So don't forget the key takeaway in the beginning.
Do I have to put the specific link or just the general website?
Just a general website like that one, no? The storynori.com, all the first domain only. Not the whole link naman. Kasi
Not this
naka-link
one.
na naman, yeah. Naka-hyperlink na yung mga titles mo. But at least that. Because at least that's the name of the company you're giving credit to. Okay?
Okay.
Sige. Okay,
Thank
good. So keep it up, Jericho.
Thank you. Is there anything else I should present? Or am I missing something?
It's okay na. So far, it's okay na. Ang ano lang, oh yeah, nga pala, what you're missing is, well, it's in the key takeaway, no? What did you learn about this? Now, my question here is like what I asked Sophie is, how are you applying this to real life situation? Diba? So sana, if you get, for example, a message from a certain content online, you get me? Sana that online content or whatever content it is something that you encountered in real life, has affected you, etc. So that you get what I mean, Jericho? So it's just not a
Yes.
matter of, just not a matter of getting, like for example, if it's a news whatever, a news article, right? And then you get the message. Okay, so how now does this affect you in real life? Okay, maybe you can write it in your key takeaway. You get it? You can maybe include it there, or it's up to you. But
So
most of the
it would be
time,
preferable if I put my personal experience in the key takeaways.
yeah, you can include it there in the key takeaway. Like how does it apply to real life situations or real world problems? But again, it would be nice. Others, they actually put one whole slide about that, about how it applies. How are you able to use the learning goal in real life situation and real world problems? Because eventually, that's what they always will ask you. So if you have this ready at hand in your project, it's going to be easy for
Okay.
you to refer to it. Okay. So everybody always ask yourself that. Okay. The project should be, we have to make sure that the project, through the project, you can actually see how it can apply to your real life or the world, community. Okay. You got it,
Okay.
Jericho?
Yes.
Okay,
Thank
sige.
you.
Sige, thank you, thank you. You're on the right track. People under 13 years, ano to? Ano to? Ano, what type of stories do you post in the book club? Of course, no. I hope walang adult stories dyan. Okay. I expect you to be responsible to monitor your clubs well. Okay, any other? Sino pa ang gustong mag-share? Sophie. Oh, na. Sige, sige. Oh, pwedeng, sige. Gaming group. Oo, sana merong maging gaming coder sa inyo. Kasi meron akong game na gustong gawin. Pero wala akong time mag-aral, mag-coding na. Teacher Liza is, too busy. But if I retire, I want to learn to code. Well, I'm not retiring. I keep doing stuff. But I want to learn to code na, but kakainis eh. Okay, so, sige. So, let's end this. Can you please turn on your cameras? Isang screenshot lang with cameras on, please. Wala na nag-present. Ikaw, Jalea, bakit di ka nag-present? Dalawa pa yung mo, computer mo, ha? Ha? Jalea talaga, oh.
Isang iPad po kasi ginagamit ko.
Okay, next time, next time. O, sige, open the cam. Mary Claire, Wendell, Levine. I haven't seen Levine. There, Levine, Syra. Okay, yan pala. Jericho, walang camera. Khadija. Okay, Jam. Open. Sige, already ha. Smile kayo, smile. Ito na naman si Mary Claire. Mary Claire, pag-uralan mo yung camera mo. Naku, Sabado ha. Sabado nga. Anuin natin yan. O, smile. Ay, ba't ayaw? Ayun. Ayan, wait lang. I'm getting the full screen. There you go. Okay, sige. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. See you
Thank you,
again.
teacher. Thank you.
Bye-bye. See you again next week.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Salamat po, teacher.
So I'll just leave, like right
Yeah.
now.
Bye.